Everyone, welcome back. Ian here, Mandershed Media. Well, we are 98% to the finish line here on Jeff's 71 Charger RT, numbers matching, 6-pack 440 automatic car, one of 98, Canadian car, ordered new in Medicine Hat. This, it's been a battle. It's been a almost 3.5 year restoration on this car, and it was a lot of work done by Casa Alta Customs in Castor, Alberta, Radical Restorations in Cadogan, Alberta, and then here actually at SAS Polytech, we've done the rear differential, we've done the transmission rebuilds on it, and now it's getting ready to go back to the owner. Now the seats, when we get through this video, we're going to do the walkthrough. The seats aren't done yet. It's been a 3-year wait for the seats. It's the cloth insert with the vinyl outer, I guess. It was just not virtually impossible, but they're almost impossible to get these seat covers. So they are en route, but I'm not going to see the car for a while. It's going to the owner's house, and they'll get the seats done in between this all, and hopefully ready for the summer. So we've checked all the fluids, tweaked the alignment on the front end, and now it's ready to go hang out for the rest of the winter in the ownership with Jeff. So Alpine white EW1 N96 Ram Charger hood with Dodge, right? This is Ram Charger. Jeff bought this car September 9th, 1977, and it was already converted to a 4-barrel intake manifold and carburetor. So this is the first time in Jeff's ownership that it actually has a 6-pack on it. So again, seems to work quite well. We haven't obviously been able to drive it. It's minus 1 million here in Saskatchewan. I think today was minus 32 this morning. So we're not test driving at minus 32. The emblems on the hood are factory original from Jeff's ownership, so they're original to the car, but sometime in between 1977 and sometime in the 80s, he put 440 Magnum ones on because people would ask him to pop the hood and he would, and then it was a 4-barrel setup. That's what he told me anyway, and I fully believe that. It probably was one of those things where, let me see the 6-pack, and he's like, well, I can't, but it is a V-code car, and it is numbers matching block and transmission. So this is the factory stuff. So with the Ram Charger hood, we get the 3-speed wipers, and I mean, everything on this car has been restored to the next level. Now, it's not like 1,000-point gold certified, but this car is better than driver quality. It's a showroom car, but we didn't put the dabs and the stickers and the wax pen marks on this car. Factory hideaway headlight car, front and rear chin spoilers. This thing is ridiculous. And coated for the rally wheels. Now we went 15x7s and 15x8s in the stance. It is a dual mirror car. The one thing that's been changed for sure, it was a clock in the rally cluster. It's now a tachometer. So it didn't have an N85 option. It wasn't coded for it, but that's where it is now. So you can see the inside isn't quite there yet, but when the seats get done, we'll be ready to go. So yeah, so there's our cloth insert. This car sat outside basically its entire life, and you could tell floor pans, trunk floors, trunk extensions. It needed some stuff. So the hood's original. Trunk, I'd have to talk to the rest of the guys and see what they had replaced. I wasn't specifically, I don't do any body work, as most of you know watching the channel. And this car also was an N41 car, so dual exhaust, but no machine gun tips. 71 would have been the first year that we could get machine gun tips, and this car was ordered without. I believe the lot of 6 were not, but the few that I've seen, they don't have the machine gun tips on it. But again, this thing is just gorgeous. So yeah, we're nearing the end. We can crack this open. It is, black vinyl roof. This one has the hood release inside the passenger compartment. The factory Ram Charger switch is under the dash right here. And I have it, obviously, I always like this. I always switch it to open. It might as well be open as much as possible, but it is my favorite Mopar option, period. I am 100% N96 guy. So this is the difference between Plymouth version and the Dodge. We have the B with the racing helmet on. It says Ram Charger. And Plymouth has the shark teeth with the air grabber in it. So Same option, N96, but Dodge calls it something different than Plymouth, which that's color, same thing. They change those just the same. So beginning, I got it on the lift yet. We're gonna lift up and we'll just do a quick little look about underneath and just see how clean this actually came out, because I'm stoked. If you watch the first video, second video, or the third video, this car was in super tough shape. So to see it like this, it's awesome. I'm happy to show you everything there is. Okay, we're up. So everything here, powder coated, painted, you know, all kinds of, you know, the refinishings. So this one is undercoated. It was all based in white and then undercoated. Again, it is all new. Accurate exhaust system on it, with the correct mufflers. You know, the hose, this is a 440 6-pack, so it's got the return line that goes back to the tank. You know, and these cars wasn't, I mean, they're not that crazily difficult in their pieces. I mean, there's lots of pieces, don't get me wrong, but it's just clean. We did the 8 3/4 differential here, new leaf springs. You know, basically everything is new. Is new and new. But again, the turn down exhaust, I just think that in all the options that this car has, it doesn't have a sunroof, or the Hemi, I guess. But yet, yeah, it has the non-machine gun tips. And I think, yeah, I want to say these are 15x8s in the rear, just for the stance. Again, it's not just what the owner wants to drive at 15x8. So the owner wants to drive it and enjoy it. Well, and this is, oh, I can't wait to see his face when he actually gets to put his butt in the seat and take this for a rip. He was here when I brought it back from Radical, and he's never seen it in this good a condition. When he first purchased it in 1977, it already had been hit really hard in the left front corner. So the door didn't sit right. There was lots of mud in the left rear quarter panel. So I mean, this thing is laser straight, minimal, no mud. This thing is perfect in that regard. You look down it is laser straight with the reflection that, again, showroom quality and then some. So I just wanted to share this with everybody out there. It'll be a while before I can get a, you know, maybe a driving video of this, being, like I said, it's -32 today on, I don't know, February 4th. It's ridiculously cold, but nevertheless, it's so close to the finish line. I wanted to show you is what we have sitting here right now. And yeah, again, Cass Alta Customs, Isaiah out there, and Bob at Radical Restorations did a phenomenal work. Like always, it's never not. But when you've seen what it was before to what it is now, it just, I'm speechless, really. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Make sure you tell all your friends. We are, I believe, right at almost a 2,000 subscriber mark, which, again, everybody who's already been a subscriber is a subscriber. Thanks so much for the support. And yeah, get some more videos coming right back at you. Thanks.